tax credit, it goes right to that page. If it's a Bank Bureau search, that picture goes right to that page. So wherever that picture is about, that's where you want them to go. So your visitors don't get lost. You will lose leads like that just because of one small error like that. So you guys get hyperlinking pretty easy. Okay, you can do the same thing with text too. How many of you have seen click here? Right, and you can click the text and do it. It's the same exact thing. Okay. Let me show you. You're not going to have this image source tag anymore though. Okay. You're going to have, so you're going to have this part, the ahref, okay, and you want that to go to, let's see, what does it always say? Click here to contact me now, right? That's the biggest one. So you go to your contact page of your website where that form's at. Okay, you're going to get that URL. Okay. We'll come back here. Oh, should I do it in this one? Is that one? You guys can see that one better? Mm-hmm. Okay. So the first part, I'm going to be like this. Okay, ahref. That's what it's going to be. Now you want that to be click here to contact me now. So right next to it, without a space, you're going to put a click here to contact me now. And you'll put that with the A tag, just like that. Okay, that's going to end it. Now I can show you what it will look like on the web.
What code did you put at the end?
You're gonna put your text in between the two quotes.
Okay.
Just like that. And at the very end, you're gonna put the /A. And all the A to a computer means anchor. So the beginning A is to open the anchor, and the /A at the end close the anchor. So everything in that is telling you that's the whole tag right there. So the text, that's what it's gonna show to you. And what that text is going to link to is that URL address. So I'm going to load it right now on the web so you guys can see what that looks like. Okay, click here to contact me now. This is what it will look like if you pasted this to any part of your website. Okay, click on it. And there we go. Now they want your, so you can put that on every single page of your website. I would recommend, though, putting a contact page on every single part of your website. So that when they're scrolling down, reading that information, it's that much easier for them to leave their info. They'll capture more leads that way. Don't leave it so they have to click on links to go and do something. Have it right in front of them. Okay. Adding widgets. Okay, these are just some good things to add to your website. This Mevo.com. Okay, that's what this is at the bottom right here. And I used to like it because it had this chat live option, where they could, click on chat live and it would automatically instant message you, but it doesn't work right. I don't know why it doesn't, and I need to change it. So there's another guy, his name's Jay Kinder, I don't know if you guys know him, but he has a good one, and I have the program on there as well, it's free. So let me show you his. This is pretty cool. And this product is from Zopim, and I have it in the PDF, so you guys don't have to worry about it. Right here at the bottom, so you click here to live chat with us. Okay, his really, really works. You click on it, you put in a message, and it's either going to send him an email, or send him a text message, or if he's already online, it'll automatically instant message him. So either way, he's going to get that contact. So it's, I think, that much easier for people to get information from you, want to start working with you. For me, everyone that's online wants to get instant interaction with people. They want to get everything right now. So having things like this to your website is going to add a lot more performance. You'll get more leads, I believe, doing things like this. Because people feel that, you're number one already, you gave them all the answers they needed, they want to work with you now, right? If you get everything you need from one guy, and he's always been there right on the dot, you're going to want to work with him. Why would you want to go anywhere else? He's the best. So that's one that I would use. It's on the handout I gave out. But it's on here as well. It's zopim.com. Another cool widget that I've added, and this is really only for real estate agents or maybe mortgage brokers as well. But it's, let me show you. I really liked it. It was this Mortgage Rates Daily. You can go to mortgage. You heard of it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Go to mortgagenewsdaily.com, and you can it's free. You fill out their form on their website to get the code, and it updates the interest rates daily. So just some good information. It's not going to be the thing that makes people, fill out the form on your website, but just a little extra pizzazz is all. Trulia and Zillow, they have some pretty good widgets you can add to your website. I really heavily used one from Trulia, and you guys can copy this too. It's I put new seller stats. Okay, you can go on Trulia and you can look up all the median listing price or average listing price for the area, and I put all of them on here for all of the areas that we're servicing. So it's a cool thing to look at for people to go in and say, oh, prices are going up, whatever that the market's doing. Most of the time, I'd say under 400,000 is probably going back up a little bit. Most of us could probably say that. And most of them are. So going up, going up, going up. That area went down, but that's brand new. So under 400,000, it looks good for people under 400,000. The real first-time home buyers. Market looks good for them. They can see that because home prices are strong. They're going back up a little bit. And that gives them more encouragement to want to buy something. So just a little bit more flash to your website.
How do you get the code from Trulia?
Trulia, let me get on Trulia. You have to make an account with them. And they have it, I think it's like in the agent stuff. Where is that here? For professionals, tools and widgets. And they have a couple of different ones. This isn't the only widget that they have. They have a couple of different ones. But it's right here, Trulia Stats. Okay, and they have quite a few different ones. As you can see, they have, some of them you wouldn't want to add to your website, like Trulia search box. You don't want them searching on Trulia on your website. You want them searching on your website for homes. So some of them I would use with caution, but most of them, you'll be okay with them. So that one and Zillow, they have probably almost the same exact ones, just whatever company you want to use is all. Add this and share this. I went over this in the last class. Have you guys ever been on a website where it said, click here to share this, and I had Facebook, MySpace, email, and all that? Don't you guys want that for your website too? Okay. So the best one, you can use add this, and also add something to your toolbar as well, to your browser. Yeah, sorry, getting all caught up here. I used add this, but add this put like 50 different icons right here, and I didn't really like it, so I went with share this, and they have just this one that I can click on. So if you're on a website and you want to post it to your Facebook or whatever, some new brand new information that you like, you can just click on, okay, I want to put that on Facebook, put it on Twitter. There's like 150 different ones you can post it to. I'm sure most of us is just going to be Facebook and Twitter. Or if you had something really good that you wanted to blast out to your entire database, email it to yourself, and there you go. So it makes it that much easier to share stuff. And also, let me show you on, they're going to also, when you sign up for them, this is free too, they're going to give you a code so you can have your own. Share this icon for your website. So people can, when they're on it, go, this is really cool stuff.